Hello guys, this is CryptoVice here and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I will discuss about an ICO known as Dfinity, and they call themselves the internet computer. So what they are doing is that they are basically providing an unlimited capacity and incredible performance and algorithmic governance, and this is based on artificial intelligent network which will be decentralized. We will look into it shortly. They call themselves Cloud 3.0. This is how their website looks like. So they have some demo videos over here, so you guys can go and check it out later. So let us now see the technology. So Dfinity technology. What is Dfinity? Performance and unlimited capacity. They call themselves Crypto 3. So what they are trying to do is that they are connecting different public decentralized blockchain to host a virtual computer of potentially unlimited capacity, and that will be connected with a top level threshold relay chain. This threshold relay generates randomness by applying the BLS cryptography scheme from Stanford University. Crypto 3 records a single root hash that anchors all the data stored in the virtual computer no matter how large it gets. So let us see finality and user experience. So here they are giving an example. For example, Bitcoin, it takes 6 confirmations in about 60 minutes per transaction, and the variance is very high. With Ethereum, it takes 37 confirmations, the time is 10 minutes, and the variance is high. And with Dfinity, you will get 2 confirmations and it will be done in 5 to 10 seconds, and the variance is very low. So the user experience is excellent on Dfinity. Then more computation. They are also comparing computational power per block. For example, Ethereum has 5 million computations per block. Dfinity will have 125 to 250 million computations per block. Algorithmic governance. They call it blockchain nervous system. So this will be created by humans, and humans will create neurons that will be operated by special client software. Neurons will be created by depositing Dfinities, and user will earn rewards for performance of voting services. The decision process will be unknowable and it will protect participants. In this way, they will create security in this decentralized network. Next is user protection. In case if you have wrongly deposited some money on some different address, just an example, then there is no way to retrieve that cryptocurrency through the blockchain. But with Dfinity user protection, user will be able to reverse the transaction and damages of the hacks. So this is one of the very key feature of Dfinity. And the blockchain nervous system can also fix systems that have simply failed due to engineering errors, such as a complex autonomous system that has deadlocked. So the user protection is there. Then faster evolution. So in case of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, they basically do the software upgrade through hard forks. But with Dfinity, the evolution takes place with the blockchain nervous system that upgrades the protocol transparently on a regular basis, quickly introducing fixes and optimization and driving network evolution forward as quickly as possible. It supports adaptive network, for example, by increasing the cost of connecting new mining resources to prevent overcapacity and protect security. For example, by increasing the deposit of Dfinities need to create a mining identity because the value of Dfinities has fallen on the markets. So with the markets, it will adjust the price of Dfinity. Interoperability. So with other blockchains, for example, we have Ethereum blockchains, and the smart contract on Ethereum blockchain works on the Ethereum blockchain. Just an example, the D app, for example, CryptoKitty, it only works on Ethereum blockchain. But with Dfinity, what will happen is that they will integrate blockchains with internet, and there will be interoperability between the both because they are providing decentralized cloud services to different organizations and big organizations like bank. So the interoperability is a key factor over here. Then they have multi-network system. For example, different private network will be connected with one public service. For example, if the service is initiated, it will happen on both the private network at the same time, and the technical term for this is atomic. Thus, with a single call to a software can result in a computation taking place on separate decentralized networks. Then rapid system development. For example, if a system need to be developed, then first it will be developed on its public chain and then incorporated by private networks in the form of building blocks. So this is Dfinity in a nutshell. So there are a lot of details in the white paper. I suggest you guys to go and check the white paper of Dfinity. So let us now see the team. Their R&D team consists of 14 members and they are all highly educated people. They have one chief scientist, one head of engineering, senior staff scientist and engineer. He is also a PhD, and his research papers you can search over here and check the research paper. Then there are many other people who also have published papers. You can check all these papers of these people and check the credibility of their projects. Then we have operations team. In operations team they have 7 members. These are also highly educated people. And then we have a team of 8 people, and these are also well educated people, and they are also have PhDs in it. So out of these 8, 2 people work with Dfinity simultaneously at all times. So this is like a pool. Any 2 people will be working for Dfinity project at a time. So this is basically an all-star team. I give them all-star rating. Then let us see the job openings. Currently they are hiring. They are hiring in engineering department, also in GNA, operations and research. So researcher cryptography, researcher networking required. So you can see that they are expanding their team. So let us now see the community. Dfinity has 20.2k members on Twitter. Then they have 2.8k followers on Medium, and they have 25.6k members on Telegram, which is a very big number. So they have a huge community. And then let us see their GitHub code. So they have 36 repositories and 18 people mentioned over here. So these are all their team members. You can go and check these members by yourself. Then you can check the repositories. So there are a lot of codes, and the coding is done in JavaScript, Haskell, Go, C++, and Shell. So I forgot to mention that Dfinity will be able to connect with Ethereum network in the future. Their Crypto 3 will be able to connect with Casper, which will be great for financial applications and also banking on the blockchain. So which will be massive in the future. In this way, Dfinity will allow Ethereum network to grow, and all the Ethereum apps will be enjoying the Dfinity network benefits, and they will enjoy the artificial intelligence of Dfinity network, and which will be secure, scalable, and in this way Dfinity will allow Ethereum network to grow in the future. So it's like a sister project of Ethereum. So my verdict for Dfinity is that I give it 9 out of 10, and I highly rate this project, and I think that it will be one of the best project in the future. And before finishing, everything that I stated in my video is not a financial advice. So if you want to invest in Dfinity, then please do on your own risk, and please do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. I am just here to make educational videos for you guys. As far as I am concerned, I will definitely be taking part in Dfinity, and I will invest in Dfinity for long term. I think that this kind of project has a potential to kill Amazon Web Services in future, which will not happen in few years but may happen in 10 to 15 years from now. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching CryptoVoice channel. Please support CryptoVoice, please subscribe and be the part of CryptoVoice community. Till next time, thank you so much guys. Bye bye.